Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Whitebox Wednesday video here at XpertVR. For this week's video, we're going to be looking at a whitebox that I created and modeled after another classic sitcom, Community. For those of you who have watched Community, we'll be walking through a whitebox of Greendale Community College's famous Study Room F. So without further ado, presenting Greendale Study Room. This is a nice 360 pan view of the exterior of the entire library, and in the middle here is Study Room F. Now these are the entrance doors into the campus building, so let's jump right in. Right away you can see similar decor from the show like the reception desk, all of the bookshelves, and more. As we continue to walk forward, right in front of us is Study Room F. This space is where majority of the show was filmed and where the characters spend most of their time. Here's the famous meeting table where we'd normally see Jeff, Britta, Annie, Shirley, Abed, Troy, and Pierce have their daily meetings each semester. Over here is the same couch where Troy and Abed had their famous Spanish rap scene, and if you ask me, this duo shared a real romantic bond, even more than Jeff and Britta or Jeff and Annie. There were a lot of memorable conversations and a lot of holiday parties that were hosted in this very room, and if you're a fan, hopefully this whitebox helps you relive some of these scenes. If you ask me, Community was one of the most inventive TV shows ever made. Outside of Study Room F, I wanted to take a look and walk around these hallways to reminisce on the paintball wars, Halloween zombie attacks, and any more fast action scenes that were shot in this very area alone. Normally we'd see tables and chairs used as barricade in these hallways, but for the sake of the project, I decided to keep things nice and clean. Now let's do one last walkthrough around the library to see everything one last time. So yeah, that was Greendale Study Room F. It was fun actually creating this set from scratch and adding the little details that I remember from the show. All in all, this was a very enjoyable project for me to recreate, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. With that being said, that's a wrap to this week's video. Let us know in the comments below how we did, and we'll see you guys again next week for another Whitebox. Have a great day.